Welcome to Happy English. Let's get better at listening and speaking. It will be fun and a little challenging. Let's start. Iron eggs are a unique Taiwanese snack known for their chewy texture and rich, savory flavor. These eggs, usually quail or chicken, are hard-boiled then repeatedly stewed in a mixture of soy sauce, spices, and herbs and air-dried. This process is repeated several times, resulting in eggs that are smaller, darker, and more flavorful than their original state. Iron eggs are a popular snack or side dish, offering a concentrated burst of Taiwanese seasoning and an intriguing texture that's both chewy and tender. They embody the Taiwanese knack for transforming simple ingredients into something extraordinary with layers of flavor developed through the meticulous cooking process. Join us on Happy English as we navigate through bustling night markets and roadside stalls, savoring everything from bubble tea to stinky tofu and discovering the stories behind these iconic street foods.